All right, looking at Sears here today, we can see that Sears on the weekly time frame has been in a downtrend for quite a while, actually, for I'd say the better part of 2 years. So we are retesting this low down here. Now, the interesting things that I would like to share with you here on this weekly time frame is the fact that we have broken this previous pivot high. All right. So that is the first indication that something new could be happening here. And we are down here at really record lows, for the past several years. So just looking at this market and where it is right now, I'm seeing some interesting things going on down there and possibly the start of something new. So uh, buying down here would be a counter trend idea in the overall scheme of the trend, but it could be a wonderful opportunity to buy low and to sell high. Looking at the daily time frame, again, you can see that we broke this previous pivot over there just barely, okay? Closed above it here on the daily time frame, and now we're retesting support, okay? And we've hit support one more time, and with today's candle, it looks like we're popping up there pretty strong. And as we're popping up here nice and strong, I think that the important thing to remember is where are we in the grand scheme of things. Seeing this gap happen here, gapping through this zone means that the big boys are, in my mind, this means that the big boys are really starting to step in here. Okay, so this could be a overall reversal point. If you look at the neural network, our elite software, it says the trend is up and trending. The reason being is, and we're down here at the lows. Okay, the reason being is that price has given us some confirmation to the upside, and this thing is basically, or this thing has basically rolled over. Therefore, the elite is seeing that in the market structure, and this could be an amazing time to buy on this market. So that's what I'm seeing overall here on the daily time frame. So I'd like to see price come all the way up to the 1030 this week, okay, and really retest this 1372 overall is what I would like to see happen. This big gap happening here today is a good sign that the institutions are starting to step in on this thing as well. So we will see if price can continue on up into these two areas here or not for us, but that's what I'm looking at overall. Here on the hourly time frame, this gives us a little bit of read of some of the support and resistance that we have coming into place. So you can see the strong bullish action in the Globex session there. So I'm looking for price to continue on up into this blue zone and really hitting the $10 mark just above that nice little aqua level. So we might see some stuttering of price action as we come on up here up into the $11 to $12 range. So I could see price making different waves in these different zones as such. So we will see how price responds this coming week. Looking at Best Buy here today, you can see that we have a tremendous gap from $50 up to $57 happening here. And this is absolutely amazing. So now what's going to happen, because this is the highest point that this market's been in quite some time and at record new highs. So what I'm looking to have happen on this one is, I know that this is a tremendous gap, but I'm really thinking that price is going to fill the gap to some degree. Okay, so even though we're having a new high here in this tremendous gap, I'm looking for price to come back and fill the gap. So that's what I'd like to have happen. Now, it is possible that wherever we see the high of today's candle, that price may stutter just a little bit and give us some inside candles back and forth, and then pop to the upside. And there's no doubt that the trend is up on this particular market. It's just the question of how strong is this thing going to go up? After such a big gap, I'm thinking that it's going to fill it and then continue on up. But it definitely is an interesting market to watch here. So just want to share that with you guys, and we'll see how things go.